Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own outdoor bingo game by using Flippity.net. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So first of all, I was inspired to do this because of some game boards that my daughters were given. And you can see those little outdoor bingo game boards that someone gave them at Easter. And you can take a look at those. And that was the inspiration for this. So we're going to go to flippity.net and we're going to check out their bingo template. So the flippity.net bingo template, and we'll click on template, make a copy, and it's going to make a copy in Google Sheets. Now here in Google Sheets, we're going to see a list of terms and alternate terms. Those are all the terms that are going to appear in the bingo sheets that we print out or the bingo sheets that we share online. So let's replace these terms, which are just the 50 states and their capitals. And I'm going to call this Outdoor Bingo. And I'm going to start making a list of the things I want people to find. Now I'm going to start over here in the alternate terms. I'm going to say an acorn. And I'm now going to put in a picture. So in the demo that Flippity gives you, they just use text. But you could also use pictures. So my alternate term is acorn. I want to get a picture of an acorn. I'm going to go to pixabay.com and I'm going to look for a picture of an acorn. Now pixabay.com, all the images are free to use and reuse. And there's some acorns. So let's click on that. I'm going to right click and copy the image address. Now I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet. And I'm going to put that link in the terms column. So now I have a picture of an acorn and my alternate term is acorn. Now I'm going to go and put something else in here. And let's say I want to have a rose. So now in Pixabay, I'm going to look for a picture of a rose. Let's use this one. Copy that image address. And we'll put it back in here in my list of terms. I'll do this one more time for one more term. And this time I want a picture of a chipmunk. And so I'm going to now put in a picture of a chipmunk. So as you might guess, I'm going to go back to Pixabay. I want a picture of a chipmunk. And there we have a whole bunch of pictures of chipmunks. Let's use that one there. Again, right click, copy the image address, and let's put it right there in our list of terms. Now, for the sake of brevity, I'm not going to go through all 50 columns here. You really only need to put in 25 rows here, 25 items in your list, but I'm going to keep it short here. And the next step is to hit File, and we're going to publish the spreadsheet to the web. Publish, click OK. We want to publish the entire document. Then go over here in the Flippity template, click get the link here, and we have our link that's now going to take us to our Flippity bingo game where we have a list of our terms. You can see there's my acorn, my rose, my chipmunk. Now we can shuffle them if we want to. I can hit the print button and I can print boards using the terms or print boards using the alternate terms. In this case here, I'm going to print using terms. I'll add a free space. When I go to print it, we'll see there I have the images right on the boards, and we'll see that they're shuffled up across all those boards that we can now print out. Now we also have the option here to play online, and we can include a free space using terms, and we can play online. We can give our students this link, this QR code, and here's how the students would see it. They'd see this bingo board and there's acorns right there. Now, students, as they find these things, can click on it to mark it off. They can clear it, or they can hit new board, and this time they have a rose on there along with all the other words. So that's how you could create an outdoor bingo game by using Flippity.net. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or visit practicaledtech.com.